Now look at Hebrews chapter 4, talking about faith access into the Jubilee. He said, let us therefore fear, lest a promise being left us of entering into his rest, any of you should seem to come short of it. For unto us was the gospel preached as well as unto them. But the word preached did not profit them, not being mixed with faith in them that heard it. For we which have believed do enter into rest. Belief gives you access into what? Rest. Why was Adam and Eve enjoying rest in the garden? They believed in God. They believed in him. The day they believed the serpent, they lost the rest they were enjoying from God. Because serpent told them, no, this is not the way. You follow me, and then you are going to see that you will be like God. And God is feeling insecure. He's afraid that you guys are going to know like him, and you become powerful like him. That's why he has been giving you all these rules, do's and don'ts. Don't do this, don't do that. He wants to be controlling people and be bossing you people around. But you can be like him. So Eve said, so we should eat it. He said, yes, go ahead, my dear. Go ahead, baby, eat. And it was when Eve became the baby of Lucifer that Adam lost his baby. And when Adam lost his baby, he lost the garden. Okay, if you are here, please don't lose your wife to Lucifer. Don't lose her. Keep close range. Keep monitoring her. Because they are interested in knowing too many things. That's the way the brain of a woman functions. If she doesn't have anybody to talk to her, she will be looking for someone to talk to. Lord have mercy. They just must talk. That's why sometimes you tell her to call you. She will tell me, I don't have credit. Oh. She will flash you and say, call me back. Pia. You'll be so shocked that same your wife can borrow credit or look for credit anyhow to call somebody and share her pain with the person, because she just must talk. And Lucifer discovered that, so he decided to be keeping her company. And from keeping her company, he stole her heart. And he didn't just steal her heart, he stole a whole earth. Because the face of the whole earth is feminine. Anything that bears rule on earth is feminine. That is why giving attention to women is not a waste of time. Oh. If madam is calling and she's talking and it is appearing as if she's talking nonsense, please listen to the nonsense, oh, for your own benefit. Listen, or try and listen. Be patient. It may not make sense. Try and listen. Oh. I have some beautiful women around me. Anytime they call me, they'll be talking. Sometimes they'll be talking and be talking and be talking and be talking. I may not be enjoying the talk, but I'll be patient, because I don't want to lose my daughters to Lucifer. He said, for we which have believed do enter into rest. Hi. Can somebody lift your hands above your head? Say, Father, I believe your word and I believe your prophet, and by my faith access I enter into jubilee. I decree the end of servitude. I decree the end of hardship. I decree the end of difficulties. I decree the end of poverty. I decree the end of pain. I decree the end of struggling. I decree the end of stagnation. Come on, is somebody talking at all? Stand to your feet. Say, I decree the end of yama yama in my life. Lift your voice and begin to pray. Somebody pray. Klebo shata lebaha malpanantolike pros toto prepato Palapana. Kiledo Brikaus. Iladuana Panatos. Lift your voice and begin to say, Lord, I will not lose myself to the enemy. I will not lose anything of value to the enemy. I will not lose my destiny to the devil. I recover every years I have lost. Do I have living souls in the house? I recover my wasted years. I recover my glory. I recover my destiny. I recover my power. I recover riches. I recover glory. I recover honor. I recover every treasure that was stolen from my family, stolen from my space, stolen from my atmosphere. In the name of Jesus. Somebody go ahead and pray.
Them now. I recover honor. Any atmosphere that was stolen from me, from my family, I recover them. I recover them now. In the name of Jesus.
In the name of Jesus Christ.
Amen.
Lift up your two hands and say, Heavenly Father.
Heavenly Father.
I believe this word tonight.
I believe this word tonight.
And I believe your prophet.
And I believe your prophet.
I begin to prosper.
I begin to prosper.
By the word I've heard tonight.
By the word I've heard tonight.
I, Jedediah.
I, Bright.
And my household.
And my household.
We enter our jubilee.
We enter our jubilee.
Rest from labor.
Rest from labor.
We begin to eat.
We begin to eat.
From today.
From today.
From the increase of the field.
From the increase of the field.
In the name of Jesus.
In the name of Jesus.
All earth of Abuja.
All earth of Abuja.
You will feed me and my family.
You will feed me and my family.
All earth of Nigeria.
All earth of Nigeria.
You will feed me and my family.
You will feed me and my family.
All earth of Africa.
All earth of
you
Africa.
You will feed me and my family.
You will feed me and my family.
All earth of the earth.
All earth of the
you
earth.
Will feed me all
you
my
will
life.
Feed all my
in
life.
In the name of Jesus. Lift your voice and pray.
Oh, earth of Abuja. You will feed me and my family. Oh Lord God of hosts, I believe the word of your prophet tonight. I answer my season of jubilee. I answer my year of jubilee. Most of jubilee. My brain oh, you earth of Africa, you will feed me and my family. Oh, you earth of
Jesus. Lift up your two hands and say, my father, my father.
My father, my father.
I believe your word.
I believe your word.
And I believe your prophet.
I believe your prophet.
I will eat the increase.
I will eat the increase
of the field.
Of the field.
Look up. When we mean the increase of the field, there is enough where you live to make you very, very comfortable. There is so much in this land to make you live super comfortable. There is no lack in Abuja. Are you aware? Have you noticed that some places you didn't visit for the past 5 years, if you get there now, you will be lost? In fact, there are places you didn't go